Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you. I will be sharing this. Hi everyone! Today I will be sharing a walnut cookie recipe with just 3 ingredients. These walnut cookies are perfect. These walnut cookies are soft and chewy, making them the perfect treat for any time of day. Join me in the kitchen and discover how easy to whip up the delicious cookies. Hi everyone! Today I'll be sharing a walnut cookies recipe. Sorry. Hi everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you a walnut cookies recipe. Hi everyone! Today I will be sharing with you another Christmas recipe. Hi everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you another cookie recipe. Hi everyone! Today